Welcome back to another exciting video in CustomTkinter series. In this video, we will be creating a label, an entry and a button widget using CustomTkinter. So keep watching the video till to the end. And if you are new here in this channel, please subscribe and smash the bell icon so you don't miss any video. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure CustomTkinter is installed. We can install it using pip install CustomTkinter. Now let's start developing GUI application by importing CustomTkinter. Now we will create a basic window by calling CTK class from CustomTkinter module, ctk.ctk, and saving it in a window variable. Now let's provide title and set its size. We can also set the mode to the window and also set theme setting. There are three modes we can set: light, dark or system. We can also set theme setting. There are three colors: blue, dark blue and green. Set whatever color you like. I will set here blue. Now let's create a label using command ctk.ctk label, providing window, text. This is a label. We can also set the font to the label and storing it in a variable. I will name the label. Now a label has been created. We can place it on window using command pack label.pack and providing some spacing. We can also use grid to place label on the window, but in this tutorial we will use pack. Now let's create an entry widget using command ctk.ctk entry, window, setting width. We can also customize this entry widget by providing font color, background color, foreground color or rounded corner. Saving this in a variable. Entry widget has been created. Now we can place it on window like we have placed a label on window using pack command. So entry widget.pack, providing spacing. Finally, we will create a button widget using command ctk.ctk button, window, text, submit. We can also set its width and finally placing it on a window, button.pack. Now all the three widgets have been created and placed on window. Now we can run our window using command window.main loop. This command will keep the window appeared on the screen until we close it. Saving the program and let's run it. Python label. So this is how we can create a label, an entry and a button widget using CustomTkinter. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share to others who want to learn GUI development. In the next video, we will be exploring more widgets. Until then, happy coding.